Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Crazy Tech 102 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make simple electronic projects. As you can see, this is a switching module and we have the LED as well, as you can see guys. So guys, follow up and let's do this. So guys, here is our project. This is a battery, 3.7 volt battery. Here is the positive and here is the negative, and here is the controller for this bulb, and we have the small LED at the back, and this is the power button guys, and this is the bulb. So guys, let's test it and see how this thing. So guys, we want to test it now, as you can see. So let me on it. As you can see guys, and here are the LEDs at the back indicating the battery bar. As you can see, 1 2 3 4. As you can see guys, as you can see, the bulb is flashing. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.